Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring the Timeless Tulips stamp set. This stamp set can kind of be overlooked because it's not got a lot of exciting floral images. It's got tulips, but tulips can be really beautiful. So I'm starting off with Balmy Blue, and I have a piece of Whisper White. This is just stamping weight paper, and I am kind of randomly stamping the largest tulip. Then I'm coming in with the smaller tulip, and I'm stamping that down twice. Then I come in with the smallest tulip. It's more of a bulb, to be honest, and I'm stamping that twice. So now I have the stem, and this is Old Olive, and I am just using the stem to connect to the tulips. It's pretty easy. There are two different stems, and you can bend them one way or the other. Now, this last stem here that I just stamped was kind of looks awkward on the tulip, but that's okay because I'm going to cover it with the sentiment. So now they have 3 different leaves, and this is kind of cool because you can certainly make the leaves make this plant look like it's got a whole bunch of different leaves to it. You probably get about 6 variations from the leaves going one way or the other. And no way is right and wrong. I think it's artistic value. It's pretty simple, but you can see how I'm building this lovely scene. It's gorgeous. And really, the stamp set, I don't know, to me, it didn't speak to me until I started to play with it. So I don't know if you've discovered a stamp set like that before. Until you start playing with it, you don't know that you want it. I guess that's what I'm here for, to demonstrate to you all the stamp sets that you want. I have a Memento Tuxedo Black here, and the one thing that I have noticed in my craft stash is that I don't have enough birthday cards. So I made this a happy birthday card. I have just a little piece of Whisper White here. I'm adhering it to a scrap piece of Balmy Blue, and I will bring out my trimmer and I will trim the sentiment out of there. So it's just got a little Balmy Blue mat. And for those of you who are interested, you saw when I actually purchased the trimmer. So I have not changed the blade yet. Just letting you know. All right, so I'm taking my Tombow multi-purpose glue here, and I am adhering my Whisper White stamped focal piece to Old Olive, and then I'm adhering that to Balmy Blue. I felt like I needed to bring in a little bit of the green of the leaves, and a very thin mat like this works very well. My fingers were a bit gluey, so I went in with my old-timey adhesive eraser and cleaned up my fingerprints. All right, so I'm adhering the sentiment with dimensional adhesive, and now I'm just trimming off the excess. I will fold this, and that is my card, except for I'm using some pretty peacock blue rhinestones. And that's my card. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.